Hey everybody, it's Jenny McGarvey, and I just wanted to give you a really quick flip through of 2 December and Christmas planners that I set up using the Frost and Frolic collection from Coco Daisy. So let's dive right in. The first is I used a B6 Dori. You can see that right here, and I have created a Christmas planner. That's right. Every year I use some sort of notebook to organize all of my Christmas activities, the things I need to keep track of, that kind of thing. Again, I could always use notes or some sort of digital format, but I like to use some form of analog/paper. So this year I'm using a B6 Dori and I'm very happy with it. The Frost and Frolic collection is absolutely adorable and I loved it. I covered the inside with a little bit of patterned paper, and then I just used Scotch tape to tape in this pocket card from the Modern Memory Keeping Kit inside. And there is not a ton inside except for my decoration because I haven't started writing yet. Now these pages I'm going to write either Christmas documentation, Christmas gratitude, Christmas memory, some type of daily thing. If I don't have something, it's gonna be all right. But you can see right here, I started the Monday after Thanksgiving. And then I will go through Christmas. And then right here, I'll write any other notes or any other types of things that I need to include. And I'm here to tell you that we found a Christmas list of my husband's from high school, and it's a total treasure, and so I'm really glad that we have it. All right, so now just to give you an idea, so this right here is for decor, either outside or inside. Whoops, I did not write that on the tab. I only wrote it on the back side, so I'll write decor on the little tab right down here. So I will document the plans, like the ideas we have for outdoor decor, like the things we want to buy, the things we want to put up, and then what we end up putting up for outdoor decor. And then on this side, the same thing, like the ideas we have for indoor decor and then what we end up putting up for indoor decor. Now, the little small from the planner add-on, the little, what are these called? Tabs. They are perfect for finding the pages that I'm looking for. And yes, I actually legitimately use this Christmas planner every year to keep track of the things, especially the sections coming up. Now this pocket is for receipts, like store receipts and that kind of thing. I will slide those right in here. And again, yes, I totally use the pocket for receipts. All right, so now this is the section for gifts. So I will write down all of the different ideas. This is the pages for my husband. I will write down all the different ideas that I have for him, like, oh yeah, what about this? And then I have a place to keep those ideas. And then the final list of things that I get will go on this side. The same thing is true here for my oldest son, my middle son, and then my youngest son. And you can see I've just decorated very minimally to go along with the pages, just for fun. And then the same thing is true, both pages will be for stocking ideas for the 4 of them. I just do some candy and gum, and then I do a few small little gift type items that go inside the stockings. And then you can see right here, I have a little tab that says stockings. And this is, okay, so these are stocking ideas. These 2 pages will be for the ideas. And then this page will be like for the 4 of them for the final things that will go in their stockings. Okay, now this page will be my cousin that I buy gifts for. These will be for her Christmas gifts. And then this one will be for her birthday gifts because her birthday is immediately following Christmas. So I purchase them and do all my shopping at the same time. This will be the list of Christmas movies that I want to watch and that I do watch. So I'll make some sort of system for documenting that right here. Now this will be my master list for my holiday baking and my holiday meals. And then this will be the list for baking. So I will have 2 holiday baking days. Yes, that seems a little bit excessive, but these will be the items that we will bake on both of those days. So I will write down and give some sort of headers to both of those, but I'm not 100% sure how those are going to shake out right now. So I just left the room for those. Now this one, I have a page for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day dinner. And then on this side, I have a page for who we will deliver baked goods to. So I will write down a list of who we will deliver those to. And then I just have a handful of empty pages for other notes and memories that we will make. But so really it's pretty much just filled up. I absolutely love it. This ended up absolutely perfect for this purpose. I'm thrilled. I didn't even plan that out. All right, so I also set up, because the Frost and Frolic kit was so cute, I set up a personal size planner and that I'm actually trying to use, and you'll see it on the inside. I purchased this clear planner because, again, the collection was so adorable. Like, I wanted to see that adorableness all of the time. All right, so I cut the piece of acetate from the classified planner kit. I cut it down to personal size. This is the personal dashboard on the front because it's so adorable. And then this is the front page from the dividers. All right, so then I put the clip. These are all of the striped pages, and I've got those all clipped together right here. So I will use those for meal planning, and you'll see mine for this week in just a minute. But so then I have the monthly little card, and so obviously I have the monthly view here as well, which is so cute. But then I have the monthly card clipped right here with just a couple of die cuts, which are the cutest. The vellum with the reinforcers, I just think they're so adorable. All right, so this is this week's meal plan, which I have not written down yet. And then this is this week's plan. So for me, the point was to just have room to write the actual activities and plans. And I'm pretty much obsessed with this. Like, I'm wondering why I didn't do this sooner. Like, yeah, this is pretty much the cutest thing ever. Then we're sliding into my dailies. So keeping the little bookmark that came with the planner right here. And then we have my dailies. So I have the plans up at the top, like the activities or whatever that I'm actually going to. So what I'm thinking is that on the back side of here, I'll put my older son's work schedule and class schedule for the week right here. So then I'll always see it right there. And then my to-do list. Now on the back, I don't have anything, but I figured I would probably add notes or things like that from calls or things that I needed to notate right there. I just don't have anything right there yet. So then I have 6 other dailies right here for this particular week. I didn't think I probably needed 7. I don't usually do anything like this on the weekends, though sometimes I do. So that's why I threw 6 in there. All right, so then I set up a divider, and this is where I am keeping the other weekly layouts. You can see those right here. Super cute. I'm in love with those. Then I set up a divider for the dailies. So you can see these are all of my dailies. Now, what I did here was I kept this blank because there have been a couple of questions for people about how to use rub-ons. They're not exactly sure. So I thought, you know what, let's do a rub-on while we're doing this too. So you can see I have the rub-ons right here. I'm going to add this cute little snowman. So if you know and you don't have any problems with rub-ons, hooray. I am so happy for you because some people definitely struggle with these, and that is a-okay. All right, so you cut out the little guy that you want to include. It does not have to be a guy. It can be a snowflake or a leaf or a branch. I want to include the little snowflake. And I'm going to, you cut them out because if you leave them on the thing, sometimes some rub-ons say I want to cut out the snowman, the little branch next to it will also transfer at the same time, and you don't want that. So, because you didn't want that guy there. All right, so now I'm going to put the snowman, let's say right here, because I want to overlap just a little bit, do a little bit of layering, if you will. So I'm going to do this right here. Now I'm just going to use the popsicle stick that came with it. I know other people use other tools, and that is awesome. I just want to show you that you do not have to, that the popsicle sticks work great. They are what is intended to use with the rub-ons, and that if you wish to use another tool, that's fantastic. And if you don't want to, you do not have to. Now I love the personal size. I always have. I think it's adorable and super cute. And I think when you're using a setup like this with a weekly and a daily, it gives you loads of room. Okay, so see, that was super easy. We didn't get any problems with other rub-ons rubbing on, and it looks really cute. Now, obviously I could go further, I could add more stuff, but I'm not going to because this is a divider and I'm cool with this. So then we have our dailies throughout here. And then I added one more divider because I'm intending to put some note paper back there. I just haven't done it yet, but I will add a few sheets of note paper behind this particular divider. That I added this adorable little card, just a couple of little die cuts up there behind the paper clip, and they're not stuck down. They're just tucked behind there, just because they're cute, they're pretty. If I wanted to use them, I'd pull them out and use them. Like they don't have to stay there or anything. And then I punched a dashboard backwards. Crazy, I know, but I punched it the wrong way because I'm using a clear divider, so that whenever, even if it's on my desk upside down or if I'm in my purse the wrong way, it is cute no matter which way I look at it. And that is awesome to me. So that is my December Frost and Frolic, my 2 planners that I set up, just a quick little flip through. And I'm so happy with how they turned out because I think they are absolutely adorable. And I really had so much fun with this collection. If you have any questions, leave them in the box below and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much and make it a great day.